Hi everyone, this is Wonder World of Haley, and I am doing an unboxing video. As a big thank you to my bestie Kat from Kat's Tiny Things. She has both an Instagram and a TikTok where she does her own unboxing. She also does a lot of doll fashion and design. She's just a very talented, creative person. She's one of my best friends, and she sent me this doll as a Christmas present, which was a total surprise. My neighbors probably think I'm weird because I was like shrieking in joy in my car when I opened her up. I'd open up immediately. The box immediately when I got it, and I did not expect to get a Licca doll, and it is the best surprise ever because these dolls are fantastic. As you know on my channel, I love American Girl, and Licca Chan is my newest collection, and I'm obsessed with the Licca dolls. I think they're just absolutely amazing, and eventually I'll do a whole video about why I like them compared to Barbie and other fashion dolls, but we're not going to do that today. We're going to do an unboxing. To start out with, I've actually learned from other videos that this is actually the code, LD07, so if you see this and you want to order this doll, and I guess you can either eBay, Mercari, or go to, I think they have a website. I don't think it's in English. I don't know any Japanese. Eventually I should probably learn it, but here's like the design of the box. I think, I really wish I knew Japanese because it'd be a lot more fun to read some of this. Obviously they're saying things like don't blow dry your hair and don't like throw her in the sun or on top of a heater. All common knowledge, of course. And on this side, this is just a basic Licca box, it looks like, which I'm excited about because the other box I had was a special collaboration. So this is really cool to have this Licca doll, and she's a blonde, and I do not have a blonde Licca doll. I only have the auburn-haired doll. And she comes with a panda, so we're going to open her really quickly right now. Now, this is an all-natural opening. Usually I cut everything beforehand and just make it easy for the video, but I thought I needed a redemption video since my Rainbow High River doll experience where he was like glued into the box. So this is actually my redemption saga, hopefully, with this beautiful Licca doll. So once again, thank you, Kat. Kat is amazing, and I'm going to link her stuff down below in the video like I always do, because I want you all to visit her and her site. Oh, look how easy she came out. This is, I love these dolls because of that. She does have little bindings, but let's start with, let's start by turning this over. They make these pretty easy to get out, and I'm actually very impressed with that because you got to figure, like, a lot of these, obviously, their target demographic is children. Like, little girls and boys probably won't have a lot of patience to get these dolls out of the box. I'm a grown woman, and I don't have patience to get these dolls out of the box. But she just comes right out like that. And I think, oh yeah, she just slips right out like that. I love that they do this. And here's her, forgive her hair, it's right out of the box, but here's her gorgeous blonde hair. Once again, and I love that they do this with their dolls, there's some kind of like doll conditioner in her hair, so her hair is just soft and beautiful and stylable immediately. She does have earrings. This doll, I think you might be able to switch them out. I'm not going to. And she has this beautiful panda dress. I love this dress. What's interesting about the fashion for the Licca dolls, I noticed online, is because they're imported from Japan, they're as expensive as the dolls, actually, to get. They are like $20 to $40 just for the outfits, and as a result, it's actually cheaper to kind of get another doll than it is to get an outfit. However, I'm hoping to save up and get some outfits and do more Licca coverage on my Instagram, which is Wonder World of Haley, just like the channel. I hope if you guys haven't been to my Instagram that you show up there too and like some of the beautiful dollies I have. Right now I only really have American Girl dolls on there, but I'm hoping, like I said, to get a little bit more Licca Chan things. And these are all boxed so nicely. I wish they did this with Barbie. Barbie's just kind of thrown in there, and it's enough of that. But she has these cute little, I think this is, oh, it's a Panda Headband. Okay, so she has this headband to go on to become a panda bear, I guess, or to look like a panda bear. And excuse my terrible putting things on, and really not very good at this, but it's been a while since I've done actual doll play, but when I was a child, I used to do all these kind of things, and I used to be really into cutesy dolls like this. I wasn't really ever a Barbie fan, so I like the Disney dolls, or the dolls that had stories like Lady Lovelocks, or She-Ra, or, well, I'm kind of failing at this, so, trust that this goes around her, and I'll put some of that on my Instagram. I'm not going to waste your guys' time doing that, or put poor Licca through that. Here are her shoes. These cute little ballerina flats she has. I'll actually just show them to you. I won't get her dressed up right now. But these are cute little ballerina flats. Now, I do want to note, for people who do want to collect Licca, that both the Barbie and the Skipper clothing and shoes do not fit these dolls. They do not absolutely fit these dolls. The Barbie clothes are too big. The shoes are way too small. It's just she has very bizarre proportions, so you can only really use Licca clothing for Licca dolls, which kind of stinks. So even if you go to Wish or whatever, it just, you know, she's just gonna wear her kind of stuff. And here's a beautiful panda bear. Her little pet panda that she can hold, and I'm just really excited. This doll's really, really pretty, so I'll give you another look at her, and you can ignore her headband necklace because I suck at this, and Kat, I am so sorry that you found this doll for me, and she's so perfect, and I just can't put a headband on because I suck. But long story short, I don't want to do anything to harm the doll, but I will get that rustled on there and put that up on my Instagram. So big thank you to Kat for this beautiful Licca Chan doll. Once again, I'm going to show the box. She is LD07. And this is my second Licca Chan doll. I'm going to keep all the boxes because I think that the marketing is really cute on them. And you'll be seeing more of her on my channel. So thank you so much for joining me, and have a wonderful holiday and a wonderful year ahead.